Dayo budakiika butono nga 9 naye nga tuzze okubanga tukola ebyo ebisooka.
Nalukoola yakayishengyero ry'ihanga omu mashemererwa g'amaani ashendekyerezibwa beeka ye abarimu omukazi we omuhara otiireho n'abahagizi be. Bwanyuma y'okuhikaho ishengyero ry'ihanga kurahizibwa nk'okwintwaza y'ishengyero ry'ihanga Clark w'ishengyero ry'ihanga yashomera ari sipiika enshonga habwaki Elias Nalukoola yijaho ishengyero.
In accordance with Article 81, Clause 2 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, the Clerk Parliament notified the Electoral Commission of the existence of this vacancy in Parliament. On the 13th March 2025, a by-election was held, and the Electoral Commission has, in writing, communicated the results to the Clerk Parliament, indicating that Mr. Luyimbazi Elias Nalukoola was elected as the member representing Kawempe North Division.
Speaker w'ishengyero Right Honorable Anita Annette Among yayakira hamwe n'okumukursya ahabw'obuhanguzi obwashikireho okureebuka ngu yajwekera abantu ba Kawempe North.
I want to welcome you to the Speaker's chambers. In a special way, I want to take this opportunity to congratulate Honorable Luyimbazi Elias upon your win for that constituency. You are most welcome to the 11th Parliament. This is the House Parliament where you belong. 11th Parliament, want to congratulate you upon your win.
Speaker Among yaragira Clark w'ishengyero okureebuka ngu baha Elias Nalukoola buri kimwe kiri kwetagisibwa ebirimu emotoka, omushaara, amajuta hamwe n'ebindi bintu.
The oath that you're going to take today will qualify you to fully execute your mandate as a legislator. So from today, after swearing in, you'll be a member of Parliament, of the 11th Parliament, and you'll be entitled to all your benefits as a member of Parliament. And after this, Clerk, I will instruct that after this, you'll have to provide the member of Parliament all his benefits, including a car, even if he's only going to be here for a short time.
Bwanyuma omunyishengyero bwa Kawempe North Elias Nalukoola yateera ebirahiro nk'omunyishengyero.
I, Luyimbazi Elias Nalukoola, solemnly affirm that I will faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution, so help me Allah.
Bwanyuma y'okuheza kurahizibwa Speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Anita Annette Among yamukwasa ebitabo by'engenderaho y'ihanga bimuyambeho kwetegereza engenderaho z'ihanga. Elias Nalukoola omukugamba kwe yasiima Speaker hamwe n'abantu ba Kawempe otiireho n'abanyayuganda ahabw'omurimo ogu bakozire. Ogu yayengyera yashaba Speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga ngu karabe yatandikire kushitama omu ishengyero ngu aheebwe omugisha ngu abaase kuteeseza abantu ba Kawempe North.
When the sitting resumes, I'll be accorded an opportunity to communicate to Parliament and the nation about the state of affairs of Kawempe North constituency, which has not been represented substantively for so long, Madam Speaker. And Madam Speaker, at that moment, I'll make a request that we be accorded some more minutes, those which have not been used by our beloved Honorable Sejelinya.
B'abanyishengyero b'ekibiina kya National Unity Platform bine bagambaho ahakurahira kwa Elias Nalukoola.
Nange kantwala omukisa guno ssebo okwozaayoza Honorable Nalukoola okufuuka omubaka wa Parliament kati ow'eddala era kati okiikirira Kawempe era ssebo loopu nja musaba omumpe kakiiko kange ajje akwate ajje ku kapaaka.
amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abwa Tayali West ag'enshonga omuri Kampala.